this video, we're going to talk about solutions of equations. Some equations are true. For example, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is true because both sides are equal. Another true equation would be something like 10 is equal to 2 times 5. The left side is 10, and the right side is also 10. Some equations, however, are false. For example, 1 is equal to 0. This is false. Another false equation is 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. The left side is 5, but the right side is 6. So the two equations are not equal. Now, let's think about equations with variables. Most equations with variables are true for some values of the variable and false for other values. For example, 3x is equal to 12. If x is equal to 4, then this becomes 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So the equation is true. But if x is equal to 5, that would make this 3 times 5 is equal to 12. But 3 times 5 is equal to 15. That does not equal to 12. So the equation is false for x is equal to 5. To solve an equation involving variables means to determine the value or values of the variables that make the equation true. The values that make the equation true are called the solutions to the equation. For example, the solution to 3x is equal to 12 is x is equal to 4, because 4 is the value of x that makes the equation true. This connects to equations students see in elementary school. First and second graders might see equations that look like 5 plus what is equal to 7. This asks, what number can go in the box to make the equation true? The answer is 2, because 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. That is equation solving. It may not look like algebra yet, but the thinking is the same. Now let's consider a more challenging equation. 3 plus 5 is equal to blank plus 2. Some students may write 8 in the box because they calculate 3 plus 5 and think the answer goes after the equal sign. But that's incorrect. The equal sign means both sides have the same value. So if we rewrite this, the left side, 3 plus 5, is equal to 8. So the right side must also be 8. So what we're really asking here is what plus 2 is equal to 8? So the box is 6, because 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. The true equation is 3 plus 5 is equal to 6 plus 2. This is why a strong understanding of the equal sign is so important. Solving an equation is not just doing something to get an answer. It is finding the value that makes the equality true. A solution is the value that makes the equation true, and solving means finding that value or those values.